Good afternoon and welcome back to another video. How are we all doing? All good, I hope? So apparently it's meant to be summer in the UK at the moment, but as you can probably see from the sky and the weather today, summer just has not turned up yet, and it's so frustrating. With the limited amount of time I get to go riding, it's just being defined at the moment by this weather. But we did get lucky last weekend, the weather was quite nice, so managed to get out, and myself and South Coast Surron parts managed to head over to a local motocross track. So when I first bought the Surron, I thought I was going to spend a lot more time on different motocross tracks around the South Coast. Obviously being an off-road bike and not road legal, there's not many places you can ride, but apart from SX Works, I've not really ventured out to any other motocross track. But yeah, like I said, the weather was really good last weekend, so we did manage to get out. I was quite surprised on how quiet the track actually was. Basically meant we had the whole track to ourselves pretty much all day. There was a few motocross bikes there, but yeah, for the majority of it, it was just myself and South Coast Surron parts just ripping around. So yeah, let's jump into it and check out some of the footage we got. Absolutely buzzing for today. So we've come down to a motocross track, a place called Hillcrest. Obviously predominantly this is for dirt bikes, but we spoke to the owner. He said it's cool to bring the Surrons down, so a couple of the guys come down today, and so yeah, let's get the bike unloaded and let's jump into the track, see what it's all about. Then a Hillcrest, just getting a few quick laps in just to get used to it. I've got to say, riding stuff like this compared to into your local forest is something else. The bike is definitely not geared up enough for it. The suspension is in a desperate need of upgrade. The battery's rattling around, I'm rattling around. Here we go, we've got the big boys coming up. And it's so wet. And even in the dry parts, it's so slippery. So yeah, there we are. It was a great day. The weather held out perfectly. I guess the only one downside to the day, and I don't know if you could actually hear it from that footage, my suspension was just not able to keep up, and they weren't particularly big jumps or anything like that. But yeah, I think a suspension upgrade is well overdue. So stay tuned for a future video where we are going to be upgrading the front and rear suspension on the Surron. But yeah, all in all, an awesome day, and definitely going to spend a lot more time over on that track this summer, and hopefully we get a few more people down there as well. Obviously it was so quiet, it was only myself and South Coast Surron parts there, so it'd be nice to get a few more Rons down there. But anyway guys, I'm going to finish the video there. As always, thank you ever so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, cheers guys, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.